Assalamualaikum. WhatsApp marketing for this is best marketing software. So how can you use this software? First of all, I've introduced the all option. You can do this software through template. Then you can do message and carousel. This type of message you can do, and you can do call to action button. This is very important for every person. And here the message list type, and here the also poll type, poll, and simple text message. Okay, so you can do create a template, and here the option, all option you can do properly work. And here the option is category. Through your category, one click, multiple or bulk message sending, just one click. Okay, so first of all you should device click. Already I have to connect the device, and here the option you can do multiple device add. This software is very important for every person, every business owner. So suppose multiple, you can add the number, just click the option and show the QR code, just scan your number, then connected your number, already have the connected number. So here the option single text message on the message sending, just option the click, just mean who is the number from message sending, and here the option copy paste the number. Okay, and here the group, if you want to group message you can do from the here group message. And template, I am also, before I was created the template, you can do your business for before message sending, you can do create message template. Okay, and contact management, suppose you have 5,000 contacts suppose, and here the contact 50, 100, that means 500 customer is very real person, then you can do create a group for every section, that means every number you can do group create. Then after group create, you can do automatically number verified, because of there have option of number verified. Just wait, I am live share you, no issue. And here the option bulk message, you can do create a campaign. And first of all you need connected device first, and I should here the option refresh data. Okay, then bulk message, and okay, again refresh and create the bulk message. Suppose you have manual selection, or before I was create contact group, that mean real number, this was I was verified. Okay, so here the campaign name and who is platform, that's when you can multiple device and rotation automatically message. And here the option message sending. Okay, and here the option is schedule setup. And if you number bending issue solve, therefore option is OPT, out of management. That means you can do add unsubscribe button. When a customer click on unsubscribe, you cannot send message this customer again, for the reason your number will be saved. And here the option auto reply button and chatbot follow. And AI chatbot, here the option you can do AI chatbot, and you can do AI chatbot, here the trigger and stop keyword. Okay, so according your keyword you can do AI chatbot create. Okay, and chat follow, suppose you want to chat follow for customer, you can follow name and description and WhatsApp, from the WhatsApp number, just keyword setup. Okay, and follow-ups is very important for every person follow-up. This is priority level, urgent level, you can do here the option. And also here the option before you see the category name and device, also which device you can send message from, just add. And here the option use template, before I was use template, which option you need. Okay, and suppose I use a template, this already automatically message create here, and schedule time. Okay, and here the option you can do text message. Okay, so if you create a schedule, automatically customer message received from you. Okay, here the option group grabber, from the option you can do group number grab. And manage your group and report which message you sending, or send message delivered, or failed message, you can see here from here. Suppose customer see the message which is delivered, that means you can see the all analytics result. Okay, so I am now sending a message, suppose I will single message. Suppose I will click here, and first of all I am again refresh data, single message, and click the option, and here the option copy paste number, and I'm writing the number. Suppose you are adding the number, from the option you can automatically check which number is valid or invalid. Okay, just copy paste, but you should add before country code. Okay, and here the option you can use message template. Okay, so if you want button option add, from the option you should click, and if you want to single message you can option the just test message. You can also email and also email another thing, just okay. Oh, okay, now successful the message, and I will check my message. Just open my WhatsApp and you see the result. Before I was testing poll. Okay, so if you need the software you can contact with me or order from our website. Thank you. This is our website. You can do a lot of resource. All resource is genuine. So if you need the tools you can contact with me. Thank you.